Action channel. My name is Laya and I'm a senior at Okemos High School. A fun fact about me is that I love the winter time because you get to do so many fun activities like playing in the snow and doing arts and crafts at home. So I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things, a paper snowflake. So all you're going to need for this craft are two things, a piece of paper, any color that you like, and then some scissors to cut them with. And be sure when you're using the scissors to have some parent supervision or use safety scissors to be safe. So now that you have your square sheet of paper, you're going to fold it diagonally in half into a triangle, and then you're going to fold it the same way in half to another triangle, and then one more time until you have a small triangle about this size, or you can keep going if you want. And then get a parent to watch you do this part. You're going to take your scissors and just start cutting along however you want all around the triangle until you think you're done. Unwrap our snowflakes together. So just pull it apart the triangle, and here's how my snowflake turned out. It has a lot of holes, and I'm sure yours looks a lot different, but it's okay because every snowflake is special in its own way. We made our amazing snowflake. One way to bring in the winter spirit into our own homes is by taping it up on a window or on your doors, and if you make a bunch of these, it'll make it look super pretty and festive. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys, while we made our homemade snowflake. I hope you learned something new today and had a lot of fun doing it. Another place where you can learn something new is at your local bookstore, where you can check out lots of books on whatever interests you. So once again, I hope you have a happy holiday season and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.